There we go. That's what I want. That's what I want. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kit, and today's video is going to be a quick outing that I had after work. Had to run up to the other side of town and pick up some rods from Sean over at Sharky Fishing. I've been using his rods for years. I just needed to pick up a couple rods for my one-man shack because the rods I usually use are kind of long. And if you guys like what you've seen with the rods that I've been using, hit up Sean. He'll hook you up. SharkyFishing.com, or just find him on Facebook. He'll get you squared away. But anyways, back to the fishing trip. So I didn't have very much time after work because I get out. Actually, I think I got out at like 3:30 that day. So maybe I had an hour and a half, 2 tops to fish. And my plan was just staying mobile. Yeah, if you guys been following me for a while, I love catching me some wipers, and I ended up having a couple wipers move through. I think I got lucky because I've been skunked out at this lake 3 times last week. It's a pretty tough lake. People fish it quite a bit, but they skunk out quite a bit too, just like me. So if you know the lake, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But if you're wondering how I managed to catch these wipers, I just put time in the water. That's like the real honest answer. Like I said earlier, I got skunked out there 3 times. You just gotta get out there and put yourself in areas where you think these fish will go. And since these wipers are pelagic, I think that's the word for it, they're always roaming. If I was a roaming fish, where would I put myself? And then just hit those spots and hope that when they move through, if they move through, that they want to bite what you're gonna bite. And luckily for me, I got a couple of them to bite. So hope you guys enjoy this one. All right, we're gonna start drilling. Of course, I forgot my what's it called? My ladle. All right, we're gonna move. I should probably get a rod ready. I think I see some movement in there. I think I'm right on top. I think I drilled it perfectly. I think I see a fish in there. If I catch one fish for bait, I'll be glad. It'll be half the battle. Come on, buddy. I see movement down there. Come on, dude. He's on the tree, but can't get him to peel off of it. Alright, we're gonna go 20 feet this way. Right around here, I think. Oh yeah, right on top. Getting pretty good at guessing distance here. Let's see if I can peel off anything in this brush pile. Anything moving? Alright. Time to keep moving. Like a little hump 50 feet behind me. This is 50-ish. That's about 50. Maybe like 40. I could try, I guess. Try to put down my jig. See if anything moves. Oh, he had it. He had it. Why didn't I set the hook? It was such a soft bite. Holy cow. Come on. I gotta get one fish so I can use him as bait. Spending a lot of time here. Better catch a fish. Guess I had a couple bites, right? I mean, there's fish around. There's a fish. Please stay on, dude. Please stay on. Oh no. Stuck on my transducer. Oh no. There's so much stuff to get stuck on. go, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna hang on to this guy, I think. Oh, yes. Alright, I'm gonna hang on to that guy. He's gonna be bait. Okay, let's see. See if I can pull up another one. There's one creeping. Alright, I'm gonna get my spoon ready. Use a piece of cut bait. Use a piece of cut bait. Knock this guy out real quick. We'll do it. Whoa, that was scary. We'll do it yellow bass style. While I'm here, I'm gonna bleed him out. I'm gonna put a piece of white bass on this spoon. Oh yeah, I'm marking a bunch of stuff now. See, seems like all the fish are coming from this way. Okay, we got a few movers on the right here. Oh, I got 2 fish. Oh, there we go, fish on. Fish on. Oh, he's digging now. Let's get this out of the way. Ooh, he's digging. Probably another white bass, guys. Oh yeah. He freaking inhaled that Drastic Plastic. Wow. Sweet. Sweet, dude. There you go, another white bass. Man, they're liking the freaking tungsten and plastic better. Oh, let's see if I can work up this fish here. Come on, fish. Oh, he's looking. He's looking. Oh, he hit it. Oh, he came off, guys. Oh my God. That makes me very sad. All right, let's get the spoon or the tungsten back down there. Okay, got another fish coming. Is it coming? Oh, little guy. But it's a guy. Oh wait, I'm gonna be greedy here. Walleye. Interesting. We'll let that guy sit there for now. There's multiple fish here. All right, we're gonna let that dead stick while we let this walleye go. Freaking scrawny, dude. Let him go. Also, a fish looking at my dead stick. Oh, he breathed on it. He totally breathed on it. Come back, dude. Come back, come back, come back. Oh, no. Oh, here comes a fish. Is he closing the distance? Oh, yeah. Close the distance. Not sure what this is. Feels like a white bass, maybe. Ooh, a crappie. That's random. I'll take it though. Nice. Nice fish. Nice crappie. Look at that guy. Drastic Plastics doing work right now. Alright, we'll get the plastic back down there. See, we'll get both back down there. Got a few fish moving around. Oh, there's a guy coming up. Come on, please hit it. Oh, dude. Oh, it's coming back. Oh, come on, man. There's a decent sized fish too. Oh, is he gonna look at the dead stick? Oh, got two fish here. Multiple fish. Oh, he hit the freaking spoon. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. ice, dude. Man, there was a whole school of them that came by. And, oof. Come on, baby. Stay on there. I missed one and another guy hit it. That was very cool. Very cool. Oh, oh. Stay on, baby. Stay on, stay on. Spoon and a white bass. That was very cool, guys. Hopefully it's not too dark for you. Oh, he's tangled up with my other line, I think. Yep, he's tangled up. Oh, talk about chaos. Oh, there's another one down there too. There's another school coming through. Okay, I better focus on this guy first. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one, guys. Wow, look at that fish. I know, sorry, I'm kind of whispering, but yo. Okay. Let's take a picture really quick. I'm all tangled up. That's all right, I'll figure it out later. Freaking sweet. All right, let's get him back without too many witnesses looking over here. That's a nice fish. Oh, he's ready. He's off. That was so cool. So freaking cool, dude. Wipers are a blast. They're so fun. Yep, that school came by. That guy dunked it. Oh shoot, there's a school down there. Can I get one on the noodle? There's a big school of them down there. Oh dude, can I get down in time? Oh, hooked up again, guys. Oh. Okay. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, kitty. Calm down, kitty. Calm down, kitty. Oh no. Reel this other guy up really quick. Calm down, kitty. That was cool. Another school came by. Oh no. Oh, he got the freaking transducer real quick. Oh, he's already up. This guy's not as big, but he's still a nice fish. Oh yeah, look at that. He's not as big, but he is still a good fish. Let's take another picture. Yeah, sorry if I'm being real quiet, guys. I don't want to, you know, draw too much attention to myself. Awesome fish. Man, I got down just in time. All right. Let's let him go. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. This isn't going very well. That wasn't very graceful. There he goes. See ya. Well, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I was kind of being quiet. I guess another piece of advice I could give you for finding these wipers is, if you notice, everybody was fishing kind of in the same area, and I was off by myself. I was the only one in this area, a little bit past where all these other guys were. I was being a little hush-hush. I know I didn't talk too much in this video because I wasn't trying to make any commotion and have people start moving my direction. And it just paid off. You know, I just happened to be in the right spot, and they happened to bite what I wanted to throw at them. Yeah, so it was cool. I think if I could go back out there and figure out that bite again, and then maybe I'll be more confident in giving people advice on how to catch these wipers. But other than that, if you guys liked the video, give it a like. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to hear me and my buddy Grandy, drink beer, and talk about fishing, check out the Bearfish Fanatics podcast. You can find us on every major streaming platform. So if you are into that stuff, check it out. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.